Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off health app notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Health. Next, tap on Notifications. Then at the top, tap on Allow Notifications. Tap on the toggle button. To switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can choose the notification delivery method. You can set it to immediate delivery or schedule summary. And then you can choose where to alert. So you can alert on the lock screen, in the notification center, or in banners. You can also choose the sounds, turn on sound or switch off sounds. You can turn on or turn off badges. And in health notification settings, you can choose which type of health features can send you notifications. You got trends, you got new health records, and then you got mental well-being. And then you can tap on done to save the changes. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off health notifications on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.